Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hull strawberries two different ways. One you might already know, but I think this other one you'll find really interesting. So let's get to it. Okay, so for the first method, we're just going to use a paring knife, and we're actually just going to use that to core out the top of the strawberry. So the first thing I like to do is just tear off the green part. Now, I will tell you this, the green part is actually edible. I wouldn't recommend eating it, but it actually is edible. So just taking the paring knife, I'm going to cut in like sort of a cone type shape. Just remove as much as I possibly can of the core without actually removing a lot of the strawberry flesh. So the interesting thing about the strawberry is it's actually not a berry. Did you know that? It's not a berry. So berries have their seeds on the inside, and strawberries, well, as you can see, do not. And here's the other thing about this. Those aren't actually seeds. They're actually the ovaries of the strawberry plant. Not even a seed. Like, who knew, right? So that's the first method for hulling a strawberry. Super simple, right? So our second method is a little unconventional. We're actually gonna use a straw. And we're gonna take that straw, or it's kind of like you're giving the strawberry a colonoscopy. You're just gonna take the straw and like push it through the bottom of the strawberry, and you're just gonna kind of wiggle all the way up there until the top pops right out. Just like that, super simple. And you get this fun little strawberry palm tree thing when you're done. The thing that's nice about this method, if you have kids, it's a really easy, simple, safe method for them to clean the strawberries without using a knife. So that's the two different ways that you can hull strawberries anytime. If you like this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. And if you like to cook like I do, then subscribe. I release new videos every single week. Also, if there's something that you want to see, hey, you know what? Just drop a comment below. I'm always looking for inspo. I'll see you guys next time.